Do you know SEO best practices? Hey, what's up, everybody? We're talking about DIY website and why that's a bad idea as a business owner. If you're on a DIY website platform, your ability to optimize your site and to incorporate tools and code that helps your site get found in search is drastically limited. If you go with a professional, they're going to build the site in a way that they're not going to use one of those DIY website platforms. They're just not. But they're going to build it in a way that plugins or other applications can be plugged into your website, and or code can be altered on your website in a way that will match SEO best practices and allow your site to get found in search. So if you don't understand search engine optimization best practices and how to write and alter website code, then you might be able to pull off a pretty website and no one will know about it because it won't come up in search. So there's that. So get a professional to design your website. And then if you're really serious about coming up in search results, then hire a professional to do search engine optimization for you, SEO. Do that. And otherwise, you just have a maybe pretty website that no one's going to know about. No one's going to find. So think about that. I'll see you on the next one. I'm out.